Hi everyone, I'm Abhi from Team Awesome Champs, and I would like to introduce my team members. This most active person, Vijay Raghavan, Sumbul, and Sunil Kumar. And our title name is using Amazon Bedrock and Recognition, the power of image comprehension. So before explaining the problem statement, I would like to thank AWS GenAI Bootcamp. July 2024, which was organized by AWS User Group Dehradun and Madurai. A special thanks to Vivek Raja, and also I need to thank three individual Aditya Pandey, Unnati, and Vinayak, who run the AWS GenAI Bootcamp very successfully. And our problem statement goes here. So what the project statement is, we are going to extract the labels from images which we are going to upload, and the images will be going to get the labels by using Amazon Rekognition, and then the labels will be converted into description or paragraphs by using Amazon Bedrock LLM, and the whatever the description and text we are getting from the model, it is going to convert it as an audio by using Amazon Print. The architecture will be explained by Sunil, and the demo and code part will be explained by Vichiragwan. Let's see about it.
Hi, I am Sunil from Awesome Champs team, and our project title is using Amazon Bedrock and Amazon Rekognition, unleashing the power of image comprehension. So, this is the architecture diagram for our solution. So, we are inputting one image to our program and one API call, that is detect labels, get executed inside image recognition, and we are getting some labels with confidence score as output from image recognition. This output from recognition and one template prompt like please provide a human readable and understandable summary based on these labels. This too we are providing as input to Amazon Bedrock. And Amazon Bedrock generates text, image, a summary response using these two inputs, which we are sending this text summary to Amazon Poly, which is a text to audio converter. And it converts this text to audio form, and we are receiving one MP3 format file, that is audio output file. So this is the complete architecture of our solution. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. First of all, I would like to thank AWS User Group Dehradun and AWS User Group Madurai for conducting this awesome GenAI bootcamp. Here is our final project presentation. Our team name is Awesome Champs. Our project title is using Amazon Bedrock and Rekognition. We are going to unleash the power of image comprehension. I'll have my part is I'll go through the code walkthrough and a hands-on demo. These are the prerequisite libraries required. Scikit image is used to image processes the image. It is for Amazon Rekognition, and LangChain is to build the generative models from the LLM, and Boto3 is used to is the AWS SDK library for the Python, and Boto Core is nothing but is a core functionality to call the API services for the Amazon services. Okay, and these are the code pieces to initialize before invoking the API services. This is the initialization of Amazon Bedrock. Basically, we'll be using service name as Bedrock-runtime, and region I used is North Virginia region, US East one, and Amazon Poly we are going to initialize using the Boto3 SDK library. And this is the image analyzer piece of code. In image analyzer, this is the image analyzer piece of code. In the image analyzers, we'll be giving the input image. This input image can be a PNG image or JPEG image. we'll be using Boto3 client library. We'll be invoking this recognition. Here we'll be calling the detect labels API from the Amazon Rekognition service, and which are the labels which are having confidence score greater than 95. That we will be taking particular labels along with the confidence score. Basically, this function will return the label names from the image which we have processed. Okay, and second piece of code is once the image analyzer return the label names, we will be invoking the generative model. So this is a prompt template. What are the labels which have been returned from the image analyzer? We will be adding it here under the labels column, and we will be providing this prompt. Please provide a human readable understandable summary based on these labels. Okay, what are the labels which have been detected from the Amazon Rekognition service? For these labels we are going to comprehend the summary of that particular labels. Okay, that we will be using with the Amazon Bedrock model. Okay, and this is a template. This is a code for the template. The prompt Claude is nothing but this prompt which have been used. Basically, this template will be calling this particular prompt. Okay, along with the labels. This labels will be getting from the Amazon Rekognition. Okay, once it's generated, prompt data have been generated, we'll be printing the summary of the generated response. Okay. Okay, this is what we are going to interact with LLM. Here in this particular example, I have taken Claude. In this example, I have taken the Claude image. Now for the Claude image, we'll be giving the temperature to have the diversity, and we need to provide the model ID. The model ID which I have used is Anthropic Claude -v2 ID. This we can take it from the Bedrock console access. Okay, and the content type is application JSON, and we'll be using the Bedrock client and the model ID and content type, everything we need to pass it, and it will generate a response. Okay, and we'll be using this Amazon Poly. Amazon Poly is used to convert the generated response to speech. We'll be invoking the Poly synthesis speech, and this will convert that responses text to the MP3 format. Okay, now we'll see the hands-on demo. And this is an image I have taken, which is nothing but a spoon, like a cutlery kind of image I taken. Let's process this image. Okay, I kept this image in the, under the image comprehension folder. This is the input image I kept. Okay, I'll run the code. This is the same code which I given the code walkthrough just now. Okay, we'll be initializing and Bedrock and invoking the LLM model, and then we'll be giving the prompt template and image analyzer. This image analyzer alone I kept in the separate file, Python file. Okay, and then we are going to interact with the LLM model, and then we'll converting that response text into a MP3 format. Thus MP3 format will be stored in that project folder itself. Okay, I'll just run through the code. Now it analyzes this image, particular image, and it's more than 15 labels in the image, but this two labels is having the confidence scores greater than 95. So it's saying this two image cutlery is having 99% and spoon is also having 99%. Okay, and then this labels, it's giving us input to this labels, which is nothing but this prompt cloud. Right here, it will be sending that Amazon Rekognition output labels to this input, and then we'll be creating the summary out of this label. Okay, it's saying the image contains some cutlery, specifically a spoon. Okay, and from this summary, what we're going to do, we are going to convert this response into an MP3 format. Okay, so that it can be used for the accessibility purpose as well. Okay, so not able to view the image, they can use this MP3 format also. Okay, it's generated the MP3 format. Okay, let me play this audio file.
Okay, here is a human readable summary based on the provided labels. The image contains some cutlery, specifically a spoon.
Okay, it's able to recognize this and it converts to a MP3 format. Hope this project being beneficiary for the real-time applications as well. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again for the AWS User Group Bedrock and as well as AWS User Group Madurai for conducting this awesome GenAI bootcamp. We had a lot of takeaway learnings from this bootcamp. Thank you.
Here comes the real-time use cases. The real-time use cases by this model include image captioning, scene summarization, and search improvement, and also metadata generation. Let's see how we can compare this model with the real-time benefits. So let's see about blind individuals. Blind individual use usually the flashcards with images and some letters to understand the images. Okay, some braille letters to understand. They can recognize the braille letters and then they can come to know this is the image is about by using the braille letters. Okay, so if the image is going to upload into the model, means it will transform the image to the audio file. They can able to understand what the image is about, instantly generate the description of the flashcard, and they will get the audio as the output. Traditional approach includes they rely on human assistance or by themselves. They want to recognize the pattern and then they come to know this is the image is about. By this Amazon Bedrock and Rekognition, they can generate the verbal description, image description as an audio file. So this is the project is about, and we can compare this with the real-time benefits in many scenarios. And thank you everyone. Bye.